Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and I'm in Hull with this beautiful view from the 6th floor of the Holiday Inn Express. The Holiday Inn Express is situated within easy reach of the St Stephen's shopping centre. In fact, you can go from the Holiday Inn directly into the shopping centre. It's also next to arts and entertainment centres. This is very close to the railway and bus interchange station, and it features 128 rooms over 7 floors. Breakfast is included in the rate, and I paid £52 for a midweek stay here, which is great value for money. Check-in is from 3 o'clock and check-out is at midday. And the facilities here are really nice. There is a bar as well and some viewing areas where you can go and have a look at the view over Hull. The shopping centre next door has over 80 shops and restaurants and cinema, trampoline place and lots of other leisure facilities. Let's have a look inside the room I was staying in. This is room 601. Interesting bathroom set up there with the door opening on to the shower and the toilet behind the door, and then when the toilet door shuts it's open plan and you can shut the toilet door separately as well. Very clever. And a queen size bed, I would say, extra towels, ironing board and a bed settee, TV on the desk and tea and coffee making facilities, and some information there as well about the hotel. Plenty of places to store your luggage and your clothes, and a nice view out of the window of the city of Hull, which a couple of years ago was the capital of culture. There is a car park here, which is part of the shopping centre as well, and you can walk from there into the shopping centre. Like I say, lots going on in there. I actually went to the cinema, which was just £4.99. What a bargain. The location here is absolutely fantastic if you are coming to Hull, and Hull does have lots to offer. I didn't really get a chance to explore that much. And we're going back into the Holiday Inn Express now, and this is a reception area, and they have the vending machines there if you want a midnight snack, and of course there's the bar and the diner for the food. Breakfast until 9:30 in the morning from early on. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.